Okay, we've adjusted this down in here. We've sanded some more of this out, so I think we're getting close. So I've hooked up my 3-inch spring temporarily and my string. So I want to see how we're sitting in there. See how close we are. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. We're going to hook our mouth back up here. So the most important part is getting this mouth to work correctly. That's probably what I spend the most time on. Okay, we got that on there. Well, we're getting there. It's almost enough. Maybe it's enough. We'll check our placement. We got our 1/2-inch dowel here, which we will glue in here. So we're going to put this in and drop our string down through the neck. Let's see how that's working. What's going on here? I'm going to have to make a little more adjustments in the mouth. It's not quite, still catching a little bit. So we're going to work on that. But that's how the inside's going to hook up. Got to figure out where it's catching at here. I think it's on the side. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll be back to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thank you.